So good morning. The tutorial here is all about matrices and we're going to do adding and subtracting matrices. So let's get the title. First, you put the cursor to the middle. 12. And that's the font. So it's all adding. Set that word. Adding and subtracting. Matrices. And we will just put that in bold on the line. So, how to add? How to add matrices. So how to add matrices is a simple formula. So let's say we have matrix A, B, C, and D. That's matrix E, F, and G. H. To add these two matrices, all you have to do is A, B, C, D plus E, F, G, H. So you add the two variables which are in the same position. So A will be added to, because A is on the top left hand side, and E in the next matrix is on the top left hand side. So you add the A plus E. So all are the same positions. B and F are both on the top right hand side. So you add B plus F. You have C and G are at bottom left hand side. C plus G. Finally, B and H, which are both of them are on the bottom right hand side. So you add D plus H. Basically, we add matrices. Let's put some numbers into it. So example. Here we have matrix here. Let me just do simple 2, 3, 1, 6 plus. Let me know yet. Next one will be 4, 2, 5, 7. No, you have 2, 3, 1, 6 plus 4, 2, 5, 7. And we're going to use the formula I just used above. And what you will say is you got 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 1 plus 5, and then 6 plus 7. And just simplify. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then you have 3 plus 5 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 6 plus 7 is 30. That's how you just add matrices. Very simple. Let's do another example, but this time example have some negative numbers. So, second example, So you use the matrix if you see it. The matrix where you have 1, 4, -3, and 2. Add that 2. Let's do a matrix. Create another matrix. Whereby this matrix contains 0, -5. You have 2 plus 6. So the whole example in the previous first example was on the formula was that you wrote at the top. You use the same steps. Whereby it be 1 plus 0, 4 plus -5. You have -3 plus 2. And then you have 2 plus 6. So this way equals to. Now before I add this up, I can simplify it some more because when you look here, you have a situation where, and then you just highlight right, you have 4 plus -5. 4 plus -5. So before you do anything, and before you simplify, before you add it, you just undo that. And before you add it, the first thing we do is simplify that part of the equation, whereby of course 1 plus 0 remain. Now 4 plus -5. Because a positive and negative, it becomes a negative number, a negative sign. So we have 4 minus 5. You have -3 plus 2 remain and same. Then 2 plus 6 remain same. So equals to. Now, in this part, it's very simple. You got 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 minus 5. And 4 minus 5. And if a lot of students say that when you say 4 minus 5, they will write 1. It is not 1 because 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. And if you take 5 from 4, that means you're going in negative region because 4 minus 4 is 0. And of course, 5 is 1 times more, is 1 more than 4. So it becomes -1. -3 plus 2. Again, if 5 students, when they got -3 plus 2, they will write -5. And they'll tell me, sir, a positive and negative gives you a negative. No. If you have -3, you add 2 to it, it will go towards the rate of the number line. And you go 2 places up, which become -1 as well. 2 plus 8, 6, give me 8. And that's how you add matrices. So let's go on now to how subtract matrices. This situation here of an insert matrix, and we'll do the same, use the same methods that I did. So of course, A, B, C, and D. So I want to make sure I have contains A, B, C, and D minus, and then we're going to come and use situation where very simple. E, F, G, and then H. So now equals to, no, like adding matrix, subtract matrix for the same principle. So according to positions, you will subtract. So A and E are top left, so total will subtract each other. So A minus E. then B and F at top right. So it'll be B minus F. And then C and G is bottom left. So C minus G. And D and H is bottom right. So it'll be D minus H. So that's basically the formula used to subtract this. So let's use some numbers now to prove this formula. So, example. No. Example. We can start with some very simple ones. We can use positive numbers and we can get no positive numbers. So again, my first matrix, I can make sure that my numbers are very big. 12, 21, and then I will use a number like 15. And then we subtract that from, so we minus, we have some very small numbers in second matrix, like we did 9, 3, 7. Let's use the 10. So this will equals to, very simple, stress, you got 10 minus 9. And then you have 11 minus 3. And then you have 21 minus 7. And then you have 15. Just simplify that. Simple answer of 10 minus 9 will give you 1. 11 minus 3 will give you 8. 21 minus 7 will give you 14. Last but not least, 10 minus 15 minus 10 will give you 5. Now, the next example we're going to use is going to be we're going to use some negative numbers because all matrices don't have all positive numbers. So let me use some negative numbers. 4, 10, 11. Let me see, we want negative 5. All right. This will be minus. Very simple. Insert equation. Let's use this at 12, 6, negative, and then finally, we'll have to take the numbers 3. So in this example here, it equals to, wow, first one, 4 minus 12. You have 10 minus, yes, so we have 10 minus 6. You have 11 minus, no, we stop here. I put the minus sign there. I find a lot of children will just write 7. No, it's negative 7. So what you do, right, after the minus sign, you write negative 7 behind there. And then finally, negative 5 minus 3. So this will equals to, before anything, I do anything more, I will make sure that I simplify that. So let's get the matrix further. First, we get the matrix. Are you gone? 4 minus 12 remain 10 minus 6. We have 11. No, a negative is a positive. So it becomes plus 7. And then finally, negative 5 minus. So, simplify this. Are you gonna? Yes. Let's put equal sign. Now, you have 4 minus 8, 12. 4 minus 12. Now, 12 is greater than 4. So, therefore, when you subtract 12 from 4, you're going to be in negative region. Become 8. 10 minus 6 simply 10 minus 6 is simply 4. You have 11 plus 7, which gives you 18. And then finally, you got negative 5 minus 3. And this one is rare. A lot of students at my school get wrong because again, previous example, they were saying negative never becomes a positive, and then it's a 5 minus 3. No, if you're subtracting, you have to get a lesser value. Something that is less than. Subtracting is taken away. So you have to get something less than. So you can subtract from something and get more. So if you have negative 5 minus 3, you'll go towards the left of the number line. So whereby you'll go 3 paces down and become negative 8. And that concludes my tutorial on how to add and subtract matrices. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time.